on, yeah, yeah. That natural beauty, beauty, yeah, yeah.
My loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're not new here, if you're new, welcome. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss my future videos, and welcome to my channel. We are back here with a new vlog. It is actually Monday and I have a ton of stuff to do. I'm actually about to go to the grocery store. It was snowing yesterday again. So it's pretty nasty outside. I don't know if I'll be able to get a few shots for you guys. At least I will try to. So I don't want to try to hold my phones out or camera, whatever, anything in my hand because I'm afraid that I might drop it into a puddle of water. And baby. Anyway, what else? I am wearing the Mocha lashes. As you can see, my lashes look long, but not too crazy, not too dramatic. If you like long lashes, but still like the natural type of au natural look, then Mocha. These are the lashes for you. Like, do you see them? Nice and long, but they are not overly dramatic. But anyway, let's go to the grocery store. So I finally feel contented for the morning and I can continue getting work done. As of right now, I am. And I am looking at emails. Like, saw a bunch of new emails just pop up because I had someone who just booked an appointment. So, what is that? Because I'm taking an anthropology class right now, forensic anthropology, like I got this email. Oh no, that's weird because I don't need a device right now. Anyway, yeah, I was looking at my emails because I have a client which booked a 7:30 appointment sometime this week, 7:30 a.m. And on my website, if you do look, there are certain rules and regulations like I literally don't want you to look over because they are important. If you book appointments before 9 a.m., you have to pay extra. I'm sorry, but it's very early in the morning. I have to get up and prepare for an appointment. I have to most times get up at least 2 hours ahead of your time so that I can get myself ready, have some coffee, set up and everything, make sure my station is tidy because I do not use dirty tools, I do not use dirty eyeshadow palettes. I am sanitary, so you're not going to say you had your makeup done by me and then something happened to you. Okay, so I was going through some of those appointments for this week and I'm like, how does she not, because you have to add it on or I'm going to add it on for you. And I don't know why she didn't add on the appointment. If what am I saying? I basically don't know why she didn't add on the fee, and she will see it in her reminder email that it's added on because you're not supposed to book a certain thing if you don't follow the rules, or I cancel the appointment. And I have put in strict rules and regulations from the ending of 2020 that if you do not follow the rules when you book an appointment, I cancel it and you are not refunded. Because when you're booking an appointment with me, it requires you to pay a 50% deposit of whatever you're booking. It doesn't matter. It's going to ask you to pay 50% of it. And one thing is, I'm not going to change that. Rules are rules. This is my business. So she has not contacted me, so I am not sure of anything, but hey, I do bomb ass work. I use quality products, so I think I deserve more respect when it comes to my business. So if you are in New York and you want to get beat in New York City, contact your girl. Well, I have a website. You don't really have to do that. You can just book through my website. But I'm going to link the Instagram page right here, and my website, I'm going to link it below in the description box of this video. But right now I'm going to start tidying, well, I should say finish tidying up. Yeah, because I have work to do. I'm here like stacking up my brushes right now. Makeup brushes, which I used yesterday, get them cleaned. Though I have a lot of brushes, I don't like to have dirty brushes. And I think I'm going to need some of these anyway because I have a photo shoot tomorrow, and some of my favorite brushes are right here in this stack that I cleaned. So yes, I don't know what it is, but I'm loving my face right now. I don't know. I did break out right here. As you can see, I have a dark spot, but it will eventually clear up. That was a couple days ago that this happened. What else? I think it's because I'm like all natural. My face is clear and clean, and I'm wearing lashes. I think I already mentioned what style of lashes I'm wearing. So, and lashes are fully stocked up on my website right now. Some styles, when they sell out, they will not be back. So grab what you can while you can, because these will be restocking, because I love these and they're pretty nice. So yeah, there will not be some restocks for a couple of reasons, but you know, that's the business side of being an entrepreneur and stuff like that. So I feel like it's gonna be okay, even though you guys may like them, but they will not be back. Hi, my loves. Yeah, it's still morning. It's actually Tuesday morning, and I probably mentioned in the previous clips that I have a photo shoot, which is probably in about less than 3 hours. So I have to get ready for that. I did not want to do this shoot today, but it's still good that, you know, you get booked and busy, and I'm still very grateful for that. It's just that I was really, really tired this morning. I was up late last night. So, yeah. And what else? I just have to finish getting myself ready. I will try to get little snippets and footage of the set because I'm going to be on set with my client for probably about 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours. And, though I typically don't do that, or I would try to include pictures and videos of her, um, nonetheless. But, depending on what the shoot is for, sometimes I don't want to put the person's business out there. You know, I'm not really getting paid for that, okay? Or promote whatever you're doing. I'm just there to do my job. Hey guys, so it's literally like 9:20 right now, the aftermath of the photo shoot. Like, I just got home. I stayed on set the entire shoot. I typically don't do that. Like, once my job is done, I leave. But I was driven home by one of the friends of my client, and well, everyone was in the same car, but that was like an Uber ride I didn't have to pay for. So that's one of the reasons why I stayed on set. I'm really tired, so this is what I'm gonna have. I'm hungry and I just want to eat something so that I can freshen up and go to bed. And well, I'm not gonna go to bed. Like, I have some work to do. I asked for tartar sauce for the shrimp, and sis did not give me that. So I have some wild honey mustard dipping sauce from Popeyes, so I'm about to do that. Hey guys, so it's actually Wednesday morning, and yeah, I'm starving right now. I need to make myself some breakfast. I ended up going out to Dollar Tree and a few other stores because I went grocery shopping to make breakfast. That's why I'm starving. Um, I didn't go grocery shopping yesterday because it was a very busy day. I had my photo shoot, and I spent a decent amount of time on set, even more than I wanted to, but it is what it is at this point. I enjoyed working with her. She was amazing, and she was already talking about booking another shoot. So if she does, I'll definitely look forward to that because it was fun. It was fun. So yeah, what did I buy from Dollar Tree? It was not a lot, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got anyway. This, because they're called, actually, what are they called? Like shoebox bins, I guess you could call them. But the one thing about these is, if you're just looking to store something in there, these are stackable. That's really great, but aside from that, you can't really use these for like anything else. It's my gloves and my keys right here. This is another like jar, you could say, that yeah, that's a potato over there, okay? Like, it's used to like burn incense instead of using the incense holder. But yeah, this is a jar you can use to like store dry ingredients. I bought this one so I could put cat food inside of, because I typically buy those big bags of cat food and I need to pour it out. So I need one of these. If you don't know, yes, I have a cat. Her name is Ginger. She's really, really cute. I love her. If I find a picture, I'm going to insert it. My baby. And I think, yeah, I bought this. This value pack of hangers because I've been needing some black hangers, and I don't know how good these are, honestly, because you get 7 in a pack, and I need to hang some clothes and take out any broken hangers in my closet. What else did I buy? Batteries. And what else? And I bought these. Like, I bought a couple cans of it. I actually love it because I know the can looks bigger than the regular Vienna sausages. And it's sort of the same thing like Vienna bites. And it's already cut up. The same way it looks here, it's already cut up. That's why I love this. So I don't have to go back and cut anything. So bought a couple cans of this. And did I buy anything else? Yeah, I did actually buy it. I bought some prune juice. I don't know if I'm even gonna like this. The reason why I bought some prune juice because Babe sometimes recommends like drinking prune juice to me, and I don't know. I feel like it's yucky. Like, I don't know. I think this is one thing my mom always says to me, like the stuff which is good for me, I don't like it. I turned off the lights because the lighting in this kitchen is just horrible. I don't like it at all. So there's typically Christmas lights over there and this one light in this direction. But I specifically went to the Dollar Tree because I wanted some locker bins. That's what they're called, but well, that's what I see a lot of people call it. So I kind of just kept calling it the same thing. They're just those like really deep bins, and they're really great, I think, for storage. They come in different shapes, but I don't like all of the colors. To me, if you want to keep it nice and clean and whatnot, like I would go for the white. I do have other colors, like they're being used for different things. I have one for like some arts and crafts stuff. I have one for putting my brushes and cleaning supplies in when I'm done doing a client's makeup. So I pretty love it. Like pretty much I love it for storage, organization, and all that other stuff. This is why I actually bought the shoe boxes because, well, yeah, that's what they're called. So I can stack them on top of a shelf, on top of anything, with any small item in there or items, because I have a few boxes I need to go through, and anything I don't want I'm gonna get rid of, or just sell it if it's new. I don't know, but a lot of the times this is done here in Brooklyn a lot, in different neighborhoods. Like if you don't want something, most times if you put it out on your porch or out wherever in your front yard, like on the sidewalk, somebody's gonna take it. If it's a good item or it's new, whatever, like you don't want to sell it but you want it like to give it a new home, someone is gonna take it. So I've done this a couple times and it actually worked. I put out a couple pairs of shoes because I wear really tall heels, and not everyone can walk in these, I know, and my shoes don't really fit a lot of people that I know, so it's not really easy to give them away. But I put them out front, like on the sidewalk, and just put a sign next to it saying that like you can see the shoes are great condition, they're new, and there was one with like a little scuff mark on there. I just didn't want to clean this, so I'm like, okay, I've worn this like once or twice and I don't think I want to wear this anymore. So someone who wants it can definitely like take it and they can clean it up. And it didn't take long before the shoes were gone. So that's actually I don't mind. So feels like I'm giving something a new home and help someone out. So I did this with a bag one time. I did this with a carry-on suitcase because there were a couple around the house because we travel a lot sometimes. So this was actually an idea that I got. So yeah. I know, it just feels like I'm being weird. Hey guys. By the setting and the tone down of the lighting, you can tell I'm in my kitchen and it's very early in the morning. I'm a little tired and I would love to just stay in bed right now, but I can't. I have to get up, start the day. I have class in a little bit. Um, I have some homework I need to catch up on before I get left behind. Um, you don't get left behind, but you're definitely gonna fall behind. And when you fall too far behind, it's not easy to catch up. Like when you're in college, this is something a lot of people are not aware of, but it happens. And on top of, I'm a full time entrepreneur, I'm a full time college student. So, you know, I feel like it's not very easy, number one. But I have my days where it goes a lot better, and I have my days where it's not as um, productive, I would say, as I want it to be because I'm sometimes tired. Sometimes something like ruins my mood, and it just affects a lot. That's why I try to keep the energy. The kettle is boiling in the background because I'm trying to make some tea. Um, I try to keep my energy and environment as positive as I can because a lot of these things affect me when things are not giving me good vibes and positivity and I get negative feedback or negative approaches from people. It affects the way I would function for the day. I would probably get slower with doing certain things, or sometimes, depending on what it is, I might take it a bit too personal and it's gonna affect my performance with like getting work done or whatever it is, it's going to affect. So, you know, I ain't trying to have that. So, I look tired, most likely because I am. Um, while I'm getting breakfast ready, I'm also gonna do my gratitude journal. If you haven't seen this journal, I've talked about it in probably another vlog of mine. So you don't have to be too in depth with gratitude journals if you don't want to be. If you take them seriously, then you know it's always good to find the right journal which works for you. And what was I trying to say? You could simply use a regular like dotted notebook for a gratitude journal. This one is my bullet journal, and it actually says it like on the front here that it's a bullet journal. I use it to keep track of stuff, and especially for school, like I need to have everything. For example, this is March, my March calendar already starting to full up with shit. Yeah. And in between all of that, I'm trying to clean my makeup brushes before they pile up. With clients that I had over the past couple days, and especially with doing the photo shoot, like brushes pile up very quickly, and I don't like my brushes to sit with makeup in them. It then becomes harder for me to clean. That's how I feel though. It becomes harder for me to clean, and if I use like any colorful products like colorful eyeshadow, it becomes stained, especially the white bristle brushes that I have. So I try to clean them up as quickly as possible. Even though I have a lot of brushes, I just don't like them to pile up. So yeah, I'm about to do that as soon as I get up. I just feel like I'm not feeling like that great today, but I still want to be productive because, like I said, I have class, I have to work. So as much as I want to make excuses and be in bed, I can't do that. My plans have changed for the day because it snowed, and I think last night or something of that sort, because it was not snowing like yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening. uh yeah, it's been snowing like every few days now, and that's beginning to irritate me because, baby, that's not it. Okay, no. I still probably want to go to the store because we have some food left over in the fridge, but I think I want to make a little bit of a vegetable soup. Um, Simply because it has been cold and something healthy and nutritious would help with that. Soups have been a bit of a thing now. We do when it gets cold. Different types of soup, pumpkin soup. I would have made a pumpkin soup, but I don't know if I have the patience to do that today of all days when I feel like crap. Um, but yeah. Hi, my loves. Good morning. Can I still say good morning? Yeah, it's 11:30 a.m. in New York right now, and I'm literally, well, as long as you see me in the kitchen, it means I'm probably about to cook, I'm cleaning from after a meal or something like that. But I'm about to make myself some breakfast because I started the day pretty late. There are some times where you just need to recuperate and breathe. I don't know. I just hate the lighting in this kitchen. Like, it's very yellow, and my hair is pretty much dry right now. But yeah, I hate the lighting, which is why sometimes you will see me in a very low lit area. It's not sunny right now, so there's absolutely no sunlight. I don't get a lot of sunlight in this kitchen with this window like that, so that's already horrible. But let me get myself something to eat because I'm already starving. I'm supposed to go to the bank. I was supposed to go to Target. In all honesty, I don't know if I'm gonna end up at Target because I have other things to take care of, and then I have clients really early tomorrow morning. So, and plus on Sunday it's Valentine's Day, so I have to like keep up with all of these things. So, don't know yet. Because, I love Target. If you know me, I love Target, I love Dollar Tree, and there are a couple more. But my go-tos for a lot of things, I would check Dollar Tree and then check Target. Because most times, Dollar Tree has like a cheaper version. Or something else that, Target be having for like mad money. Because there are some like storage pieces that I know the Dollar Tree carries, but you would have to probably go to different Dollar Trees to find it. My Dollar Tree, well, next to me, has, I think I'm literally in between like two different Dollar Trees. Yeah, but the one that's closer have it, but it comes and goes. Literally. When you see something in Dollar Tree, it's like snag it because it's $1. It's gonna go. And I used to see it and I was like, I don't need that. And now I think about it, I actually do. They are like shelves you could use for like extra storage space and height. Like you could put it inside a cabinet, under a sink, anywhere for like extra height plus storage room. And they have it, I think, what are they called? I can't remember what they're called. Yeah, I don't remember what they're called. But it basically looks like a bench, but it's a shelf. And they're made out of wire. So Dollar Tree has like these for $1, but then Target has them for like $7, $8. What? But the only thing I love about the one at Target is the fact that it's collapsible, like you can fold it. But the ones at Dollar Tree, you can't fold it. It's just like standing and you put it there. But I've been searching for it, and anytime I see it again, I'm gonna grab a couple of them because I'm gonna need them. Hey guys, so it's right about 8:51 p.m. right now in New York, and I did a lot for this afternoon, and it's unfortunate I couldn't vlog my Target trip and other runarounds that I did because it was so cold outside. It was literally very cold today. So what am I doing right now? Homework, because I have a post lab which is due. I have to check on some other assignments to make sure I'm not missing out on anything, because I feel like I am and I don't want to fall behind on anything. This dark mark right here, I had a blemish, so hopefully some skincare will get rid of this by the next few days. I'm hoping that it doesn't pop up again, because it did pop up again and I picked at it. But anyway, yeah, it's been horrible outside, so it's not easy to vlog and all that, but there will be a few things coming up and I will try to vlog them as much as I can, or as well as I can. So yeah, and I don't want to be up too late, or at least, even though I am up late, that I will still be able to get adequate rest throughout the day tomorrow, because I will be having my first client at 7 a.m. and in my book this is very early, and not to mention on Sunday it's Valentine's Day and bookings are already flying left, right, and center, so I'm also going to be very busy. Hence the reason why I have a whole stack of dirty brushes like right at my back right there. And this is chicken which has to be dealt with to be cooked. What else? Yeah, and peace. So guys, I will end this vlog right here because I will be busy and I will not remember to pick up the camera for the rest of the night. And talk to me in the comments below, tag your friends, tag your business, whatever you want to tell me, say it in the comments below this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell, and I love you guys so much for supporting